Sausage! Bloody hell!
Good injuries. I mean, it's not just like dislocated eyelash or something.
Big sausage on the zigzags again. Crikey, do people, the drivers not know the highway code? That's another silly sausage. Was it? Well, away then, you sausage. Crikey hell, how much notice do you need? Bloody hell. Here we are, here's the sausage on his bike. No lights or us.com/Dangleberry. Yep. I'm on a mission to get knocked over and killed by a car. Bloody hell. What an absolute sausage. Sausage 1, sausage 2. 90 mile an hour zone. And there's doing at least 90 down there, like. What a pair of spunk spaniels, like.